Do you see them?
See what that?
Look,
Look, North Coast coming up.
Beckett, can you tell me where we're going right now?
We're gonna Polar Express.
Yeah, what are we gonna do on the Polar Express?
We want to eat cookie nut and hot chocolate.
So what's your favorite part about the Polar Express train ride?
It's like you get hot chocolate and the cookies.
Yeah.
Hey everyone, so we're super excited. It's our annual trip to the Polar Express here in Bryson City, North Carolina. And what I'm going to do is, we love staying at the Everett Hotel, and I'm going to turn you around here and show you our view. And we're on the second floor, downtown Bryson City. Literally do not have to drive the whole weekend. And the Polar Express is about 2 blocks that way. So this is a old 1905 bank, and they've converted it into a boutique hotel, and you'll see some pictures from that, and we'll give you a little tour later on. But they've also got a restaurant downstairs, which is really awesome. Okay everybody, I'm going to take you out one of the front entrances of the Everett Hotel, and it's really going to show you why we love to stay here. It's raining, which we expected it to rain, so I think the rain's not a big deal if you're prepared for it. It is not going to dampen our Christmas spirit. We're ready to ride the Polar Express tonight, but first I'm going to show you where we're staying and what happens when you walk out the door. So you can see it's still raining right now, but there's the Bryson City's Christmas tree right there. And then you got a really cool, just eclectic choices of shops walking all the way down here. See if I can cross the street right quick. It is raining, so just a really awesome, beautiful mountain town that we really wish people wouldn't find out about, but we know they're gonna. But you can imagine the view that you get. And then our room is actually right there. So that's actually our room. And they do a parade here the first Saturday of December that runs right down this street right in front of us. So if they still do the parade and it's raining a little bit, we can just open our windows up and watch the parade from right there. So here we go, there's the start of the parade. Getting it rocking and rolling, and you can see everyone's under the awnings. Rain or shine, they do this parade. Here we go, the Bryson City Christmas Parade. Thank you. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Candy for you.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. All right, so Townley and I are out here, and the Christmas parade is on. Even though it's raining a little bit, the Christmas spirit's still really great. So we're rocking out lots of candy. Oh, here comes another piece.
Merry Christmas.
Oh, nice. Thank you so much. So Bryson City really knows how to do it. Rain or shine, we're good to go. So enjoy the parade. watching it? Sam, look. The brain. That's it. Go check it out, Mom. Gonna hold him up there to see him? Hey, Townley, what are we doing?
Wait.
We're going to the Polar Express.
What do you have?
I have this Polar Express bear right here.
Oh, yeah, okay, cool. Yeah, what do you think, Tam?
It's cool. It's gonna be awesome.
Yeah.
And I got Teddy to go with it.
You do. So we ride Crown Class when we go to the Polar Express. There's a couple of different classes you can ride. You can ride First Class, you can ride Crown Class, you can ride Open Air. They're all pretty cool, but we know that we like Crown Class, and you'll get to see why soon. Here we go, guys. Polar Express. The real deal. All right. Beckett, what do you got, buddy? You got your ticket?
To introduce ourselves. My name is Hollyberry. And now, we would love to know all of your names. So on the count of 3, I want you to shout your name as loud as you can, okay? 1, 2, 3. Yo, we got it. Check it out.
Thank you, bud.
This is called
famous cookies.
Oh, you want to see Santa? Yeah? What are you going to tell him? Yeah? You want to do, you want to cut down some grass for Christmas? What do you think, Tim?
Awesome.
Is it always fun riding Polar Express?
Yep.
Uh-oh. Oh. Look, guys. Oh, boy.
I see the lights. I see the lights.
Do you see them? That big piece of ice? See it? Oh, there he is. You see him? You see Santa? You see him? I was back again.
Oh my goodness, look behind us.
Here it is.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Say thank you.
Oh, there's my smile. Lord have mercy. Hey, young lady. I like that red hair, baby. You're ready for Santa, aren't you? Oh, bless your heart. We'll see you in just a few days now, okay? All righty. Hey, Bess. Bless your heart. Hey, young man. Merry Christmas to you.
Merry Christmas, Santa.
Christmas to you.
Say Merry Christmas, Santa. Say Merry Christmas.
Beckett, who is that?
Santa.
Oh boy. What did he give you?
We're getting good
Y'all have
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Santa.
Merry
Christmas young lady. There we go.
Hope you enjoyed it, guys. We have so much fun on this trip every year. You can see that it's just a blast. The little ones really love it, and yeah, we just have tons of fun. So we'll have several more videos coming this month. Even though we're not camping, we've got a couple more coming down the pipe, and so stay tuned.